Hello guys, how to fix OneSettingsClient.dll is corrupted error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, first run the DISM tool and SFCS scan now to scan your system. DISM scan health, DISM check health and DISM restore health. Execute these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each times. And once completed, then run the sfc /scan now and press OK. It will take some time, so wait for scanning your system for any corrupted files and you repair them accordingly if found. Thereafter, the next command is re-register DLL file. To re-register DLL file, execute this command in same command prompt Windows and press enter and wait for some time. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your DLL corrupt error is still running or not. If not, go to next fixes, type Windows security in Windows search and open it. Here from the left side, go to virus and threat protection, choose scan options and select full scan, and finally click on scan now. It will scan your system for any virus and resolve their issues. If your problem is still running, then restore your system. Go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and type rstrui and press OK. It will open system restore system files and settings windows. Click on next and choose a restoration point, select it and choose next options. And finally confirm your restore point, choose finish. That's all.